Good morning, hybrids. I just wanted to give you a quick update of Schoology. As you can see on my screen, I'm already inside Language Arts. Things look a little bit different right here. I moved all of your old assignments into this pink folder labeled weeks 1 through 7. So if you have overdue assignments, you'll need to open this folder and find them just as you would have before. The new assignments that I'm posting for our hybrid schedule are inside this white folder, beginning with week 8. Week 9 is not active yet because that's next week. Inside week 8, if you click on this line, you will see it looks very different. This right here is the video you're watching now. Monday has a page with assignments, as does every other day of the week. The black folder is where you will find Schoology assignments that must be completed on the computer. Do not do the assignments until you have been assigned that task on a particular day. If you don't do it on the correct day and you skip the instructional videos or the other materials that go along with it, you really won't be learning anything and you won't be showing me how truly smart you are. So, only go into this black folder, Schoology Assignments, when one of your daily outlines tells you to. The yellow folder, Videos for the Week, is where I'm going to put copies of videos that I make in case you need to re-watch them. You won't have to remember what day was that. So let's open up Monday. Each day's assignments are going to look similar to this. They won't all have a video enclosed, but this one does. If you will notice, it says Cohort A students. I come to school Monday, Tuesday. And if we scroll down, it says Cohort B students. I come to school Thursday, Friday. And if we scroll down, this says virtual students. I stay home every day. You are only responsible for the work under your title. If you're at school today, this section is not for you and you never have to read it. If you are at school today, then you must be a Cohort A student. So these bullets are for you and nothing else. If you're a Cohort B student, these bullets are for you and nothing else. Don't worry, if it looks like your friends are doing something different than you, you will do the same task sometime later in the week. So Cohort A, those of you who are in a school chair today, these are your tasks. This video is going to show you how to sign up for Common Lit. If you are at home on your couch, kitchen table, and possibly still sitting in your bed, these are your tasks. Don't leave out any task because you're getting graded for your participation. Read the directions and do all of the things that it tells you to do. If you have a question, send me a message right here on the envelope. Because today is our first day of hybrid learning, I will have students in my classroom all day long, so I will be much slower to respond to you and your parents' messages. I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible, but send me a message here. I will also be sending you messages through this message center, so pay close attention. Please do your attendance question in your homeroom. If you are at school or you are at home, this is how we count you present. If you answer the attendance question, that tells us that you are present and you're available for learning. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We are always here to help. Let's get started.